Boop, boop. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel. This week I have got another recent pickups video for you. You should know how this works by now. I have recently bought some items I want to show you. With some of them I need your help, I need you to get involved, and others I just want to show you for the sake of inspiration. I don't know, I always love to see what other people are buying and wearing. It just inspires me, and I hope this video does the same for you. Also, I love to know what you think, so if you have got opinions on any of the items I've shown you today, if you have got favorites, let me know in the comments down below. Anyway, let's get into it. So even though the winter is pretty much over, while saying that, it snowed last week and it's still freezing cold. Let me rephrase that. I think the winter should be over by now. It's not. But nonetheless, I bought another winter coat. Not that I don't own enough winter coats already. I have bought a Helly Hansen puffer jacket. So this is just a plain black Helly Hansen puffer jacket, and I found this beauty at the flea market. It has got the Helly Hansen logo embroidered on the chest and on the neck, and it has got these dark grey applications on the sleeves. It even has got this little plastic thing where the tag is supposed to be, but there wasn't a tag. So I'm not sure, maybe this jacket hasn't been worn before, and I paid 12 quid for it, and it's real duck feathers. Let's say together, that's a bargain. As I said, this one was more of an impulsive buy because I saw this jacket at the flea market. I didn't really need it, but it fit so well, it was a bargain. And I was looking for a puffer jacket, not a black one, but hey, I'm really pleased with this jacket. I really like how it fits and how it looks, but it's a little bit plain. It's just plain black, and I want to spice it up a little bit. The problem is, I'm not sure how. I thought about embroidering it, but I'm not sure what to embroider on it. I thought about printing something on it, but I'm not sure how to print on it since it's nylon, and I don't want it to just melt. So if you guys have got any ideas on what to do with this jacket, or if you have got anything in particular you want to see me do in a video which could involve this jacket, let me know as well. I'll pick my favorite one and I might just make a video about it. Right, enough talking. This is how it looks like on. Right, from one impulsive buy at the flea market to another, I regret nothing, but I bought this white fleece zip up. Yep, I did that. But no, I'm really into fleece mock neck zip ups at the moment. So when I saw this beauty at the flea market, I fell in love immediately. I had to buy it, even though looking back on it, I'm not sure what to wear with it. So first of all, it's a white fleece zip up, and it has got little details on the shoulders, a little pink fleece, and this weird kind of raincoat fabric with this 80s flower zebra print on it. It has got the same fabric around the neck area, and it has got this little logo embroidered right on your belly, and it also has got pockets, which is pretty nice. If you guys have got any ideas on how to combine this, leave them in the comments down below. Maybe you can help me out. But other than not knowing what to wear with it, this thing is super comfortable and super warm, especially around your neck. This thing is super warm because it has got this fleece zip up, and on top of that you've got that printed nylon fabric which you can button up or down separately. But again, I don't have any other items in that kind of magenta pink or that 80s style. So if you have got any ideas on how maybe to combine that differently, let me know in the comments down below. Anyway, here's what it looks like on. Right, the next item you may have seen in some of my recent Instagram posts, and I have been asked where I bought this a few times, so I thought I may just feature it in a video to clear things up. It's this pair of like camo-ish printed chino trousers. I found these at the ASOS sale section. They were only 6 quid, and I needed some new skate trousers, so I thought I might as well just try them out, and I have to say I'm pleasantly surprised. So these are kind of wide-legged or straight-cut crop chinos, and they're super comfortable. They also have got these little strap thingies on the waist where you can tighten them if they don't fit properly, but I don't think you need them because these just fit perfectly. They have got just that little bit of stretch to them, so they're not too tight, and because they're cropped, they won't get in the way while skating. So kind of the perfect skate trousers. Okay, I'm not saying perfect skate trousers because there's a chance that I will rip them in the next few weeks. But if they don't rip, they might just be the perfect skate trousers. And people seem to like them as well because I have gotten a few compliments and a few people want to know where I got these from. Now you know, but they were from the sale section, so I'm not sure if you still can get them. If I find them, there will be a link in the description below. If not, I'm sorry. Anyway, here's what they look like on. right from skate trousers to skate shoes. You might have seen them in my dressing from my dad's wardrobe video. Since then, they have seen a little bit of use. These are my new skate shoes, the Nike SB Blazers XT Low from the Pink Motor collection. These are my favorite skate shoes of all time. Let me tell you why. These are the most durable skate shoes I have ever skated. I've skated the black and white version before, and they have lasted me super long. At first, I was a little bit skeptical about their kind of toe cap thing because I thought it looked kind of weird, but now I'm in love with it. This toe cap really delays the process of your shoes vaporizing from doing flip tricks. It holds up so well without you losing any feel or being uncomfortable. They also have got my favorite Nike SB sole, which is fairly thick and durable, but still squishy, and you can still really feel your board and feel the concave and everything. Plus, I'm a sucker for pink, so I had to buy these. No, I'm joking. These are very comfortable, durable skate shoes, but usually they're around 90 quid, I think. And you know me, I'm not paying 90 quid for some skate shoes I'm going to destroy anyways. So I went on a bargain hunt and found these in a sale for 40 quid. And 40 quid for these shoes, let's say it together, that's a bargain. So I got these for 40 quid, and that was so much of a bargain that I bought 2 pairs. Yep, I thought I won't get these for 40 quid anywhere else, so I might just as well buy 2 pairs, so I have got a backup if these decide to die on me. Anyway, maybe my favorite skate shoes ever. Here's what they look like on. So the next 2 items I have been after for quite a while now, but for some time they went out of stock, and I was worried that I would never ever be able to buy these, but thankfully they just recently restocked them and I bought them immediately. They are from a brand called SoWet. If you don't know that brand by now, go check it out. Link somewhere around here in the description probably as well. The first item is this 90s tribal tattoo printed long sleeve shirt. So I bought a pair of sweatpants with the exact same pattern, I think almost a year ago now, and ever since I got the sweatpants I wanted the top as well, but I never got around to buy it, and then it was out of stock, and now I finally got the chance to buy it. It's made from 100% polyester, which can be weird at first because it kind of feels like a sports jersey, but because of that it's really nice and flowy, and it has got that little bit of shine to it, which I really do like. And because it's made from polyester, it's printed digitally, so the print is super sharp. I got this one in an XL, and I have to say the fit is really nice. It has got a little bit of stretch to it, so it feels like you're wearing a very comfortable sports jersey, as I said. Anyway, a very nice comfy long sleeve, and finally I have got the matching top to my trousers, so now I can finally look like I'm wearing 90s tribal printed pajamas out in public. I'm looking forward to it. Anyway, here's what it looks like on. So this item is also by SoWet Clothing, and it's very similar to the last one. It's a black t-shirt with a 90s tribal print all over it. You can kind of see that I'm into 90s tribal prints, can't you? Yep, it's basically the same as the last item, just in t-shirt form with a different print. So I could tell you everything I told you about the last item, about this one as well. But good thing I don't have to, because you already know everything. So without further ado, here's what it looks like on. That's all I have for you for this week. I hope you've enjoyed my recent pickups, and as I said, if you have got opinions on any of these items, if you have got favorites, if you have got ideas on how to DIY the puffer jacket or how to style the fleece zipper, let me know in the comments down below. You guys always have got awesome ideas, so please inspire me in the comments down below. Anyway, I hope I've inspired you with this one, and I hope you've enjoyed this one. If you did so, want to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to become part of the Dapper family. You can also follow me on Instagram at Dapperalien, link in the description down below. That's it from me for now, and I'll see you later. Bye!